My grandmother on my father's side was what we have, if you can paint a picture of a little lady who talks to you, tries to talk to you in English, but mostly talks to you in Yiddish. And I was able to converse with her on a fairly regular basis. I never used the language after that. But Jenny and I, Grandma Jenny and I, had a very close relationship. She lived in Hyde Park. I lived on the south side for a while she was still alive. And I used to go and visit her at her apartment. Morris, my grandfather, was a standoffish. I was a grandchild, but he was not a very friendly person. He was the kind of man that was an authority figure. And I remember talking to my father about his father, and they did not have a good relationship. As a matter of fact, the practice of Judaism was very limited in our home because of my dad's relationship with his father. Thinking about Passover and the way I celebrate Passover now with my family or with my universal family, the people that I know and the people that I invite to my home. And if my children are in town, we celebrate Passover with them. If they're not, I'm sorry, but Passover is still an important thing to me, not so much to my children. And it was the same with my father. He did not want, he knew Hebrew, he knew how to pray because he was brought up by a rabbi and or a cantor. But he had that strictness about that he did not want Judaism to intrude on the home.